A cute baby monkey sitting at the edge of a village, crying sadly, looking around for his mother. Villagers gather, smiling kindly. One gives him water, another gives him a banana. The villagers and the monkey walk together towards the jungle. Suddenly, the baby monkey sees his mother on a tall tree. He runs happily and hugs her tightly.
Helping others is the greatest kindness.